Here's a blackbird. He's going to fly away, I think. He's got a little white patch on that side. Hello. Right, so those little pink blobs are bird food. And there's our friendly blackbird. Hello. How are you today? You going to have another one? Because they're all there for you. Yep, that's it. He's over by the tree. Will he come back? We'll just pause this and put some more out and see what happens.
What a shame. All the stuff's nearly gone.
We'll put some more up in a minute. Do you like that? We'll give you some more. Would you stay there if we put it there?
We think this is our friendly one from years ago, or last year. He's got a white patch just behind his eye on the other side.
Can you reach and give me the thing or not?
There we go. He's looking at me.
Can you reach the food while the camera's still going?
I've lost him.
He's over to the right. He's over to the right by the flowers.
I've lost him. Oh, there he is. There you go. How are you? Yeah, it's not focusing on him.
He's going to come back here because I've put some
God,
piece.
you need to put smaller than that.
Do you want it smaller? Okay, I'm sorry. How do I make it smaller?
Cut a bit.
So the blackbird's in the tree there. I'm just going to wait.
He's on the fence now.
Yeah, and see if he comes. See if he comes over to have the... Yeah, I think he might. See him? And so what I'm going to do is now bring it back.
Yep, here he is. Look.
To the pink stuff. Oh yeah, he's coming along. He's a bit further along there. Come on, go into focus, you stupid bloody camera. I don't know why it doesn't focus. There it is, it's focused now. He's eating a lot. Well, he's gone now. Will he come back?
I don't know, he's over by the rubbish bin at present.
Yeah, and now it's perfectly in focus.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. Shall I,
Yeah, give up, he's gone off the...
Yeah, I'm giving up. Right, so the pink stuff there is bird food on our balustrade. That's Christmas lights below it. We've got a friendly blackbird who's been away for months, and we think he's come back because he's got a little bit of white.
He's now in the bird bath, having a drink.
Oh, that's him down there.
Yeah, I can see his white patch.
See the white patch behind his eye? You have to be quick to see it.
It's on the other side.
Yeah.
There it is.
Under his right, or by his right eye, see?
He's
Yeah. Don't be self-conscious, have a bath. Oh, yeah, you can see his little white bit really good there. So we might come over and have the food from the balustrade. This is the first day we've seen him in months. It's like he's eyeing us up, but he's already had some off the balustrade and he wasn't afraid of us. So that's what makes us think he is the same one that used to be here months ago. What do you think he's doing, Houston?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
There he goes, another little bath. He flicks a lot of water out, doesn't he?
Yep.
We've got a little fountain in the middle of the bath. Oh, look at him.
It's looking a bit fluffed out.
He hasn't shaken all the water out yet. He'll get a bit cold. That's the solar panel above there for the fountain. That was one of our local couriers who went past and tooted.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, Ed. He hasn't shaken all the water out of his feathers. I think he's going to fly away.
Yeah, well, there's people walking up with a dog.
Is he? Who are they?
I don't know. Don't know the name of the dog either.
You gonna wave? I've gone past now. He's not doing much, is he?
No.
Not that we can talk, but, you know, we're not birds. Oh, see we go. He was thinking about whether he'd finished or not. Perhaps he was waiting for us to give him some soap.
Scotty's not fussed.
Where's Scotty?
On the left-hand side of the duck pond.
Oh, I see.
He was getting splashed.
Yeah, he was behind the balustrade thing for me. Scotty's got the idea now. Oh, he's brought a mate.
Yeah. I think he thinks he's having a shower.
Right, so the blackbird's gone from the bird bath. Yeah. You tell me if he comes up here.
Yeah, no, he's flown away.
He's flown away, okay. So we'll just watch the sparrows. Who was that?
The guy from Chester's.
Oh, right.
Truck.
Oh, I didn't see him go down. Yeah, yeah.
I think he went down in the blue Mazda 3.
Oh, right. I saw that. Scotty's still finishing off. We call all the sparrows Scotty. Okay, so that's it for the bird bath for the moment.
First bath of the day. Yep.
He's funny, isn't he?
He's flicking a lot of water everywhere.
He's going to go back in, I reckon.
See, that's a different one, because that one's got a yellowy coloured beak.
Yeah.
Whereas the one we had earlier
Had orange.
had orange. Signature, I'm leaving now, if you heard the squealing.